Hey guys, so tonight I have a really quick unboxing video. I took it out of the box, but it's still all wrapped up. I was just gonna look at it and do a video later, but it's all pretty, so I couldn't unwrap it, put it back together. Anyway, so quick video. Hold on, I'm gonna go close the door because you can hear Aladdin playing in the other room. Okay, I'm back. So this is a Black Friday ordered from Paper Issues. I've never ordered from them before, and I honestly didn't really know that they had products. I follow them because I love their cut files and seeing the inspiration. So I went on there and ordered entirely too many things, but there was stuff from like Chamel's Christmas collection, like all these older things that you can't find anywhere else, that were just little bits and pieces, not the whole collection of course, but just little bits and pieces. So I had to order a bunch of things. So we'll just go ahead and open up real quick. Super excited because I ordered a lot, and I know some of it I ordered, but I don't remember all of it. So okay, so let's turn it this way, I guess. So I got these little flare buttons from Pretty Little Studio for Christmas because I didn't have enough Christmas stuff apparently. And then I also got these ones as well, also from Pretty Little Studio. And then I got this little 6x6 paper pack from Let's Go, and I think this is an older collection as well. Yeah, 2017. It's a little bit older, but I thought this would be really cute, as well as that one for all our Colorado photos, because after Christmas is over in January, I'm going to do a lot of snow stuff and Frozen pictures, because, you know, Frozen. So after January, I will start on our Colorado vacation. So, and I guess these are just single-sided, so I don't have to turn them over. Little airplanes. That's really fun. I like that one. The little stripes, and it's got like a grid pattern on it as well. And then, sorry, the dog's scratching at the door because he wants out. Globe print, stripes, stars. I'll probably cut that one in half and use it separately. Nice stars. Little tags, like signs, houses. That one's really fun. I like that, especially the Rocky Mountain, because Colorado. These are fun. Like, I didn't realize how much like distressing and mixed media looking colors were on it, but that's nice. I like that. It'll tie in well if I do a lot of mixed media on my pages as well. So there's that. Sorry, I'm trying to do this really quickly. Not really working. And it came with that little guy. He's cute. Little card. And then this is Studio Calico That-A-Way, and I've never seen this collection. It's from 2012. That's awesome. So it's got a lot of fun colors here. Let's not stab myself in the face, hopefully. Maybe. And then do this one as well. Again, maybe. We'll see. There we go. Oh, that one's cute. There's numbers. And this one, I really just love the colors. And tomorrow, Insta Moments, Our Adventure Everyday, Adventure, Boarding Pass, Adventure, Let's Go. Oh, sorry. Oh. Anyway, sorry. Oh, I like that because that we could even use for summer stuff. India loves to swim, so that would be amazing. And some just nice tonal stuff. I like that. And that'll be cute. Lots of fun stuff. Oh, those are really cute. Anyway, so that one's really cute and fun. And then, of course, because this one, I was waiting for scrapbook.com to get this paper pad. but they didn't get it. So they still didn't get it whenever I ordered this on Thursday. So this one's really fun. I'm excited for this for all our Frozen pictures, especially the Frozen tea party. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you won't know what I'm talking about, but my daughter and my uncle had a Frozen tea party. He dressed up like Anna for her because, well, when you're that cute and little, you get whatever you want. And he was trying to make amends because they argue about who's Anna and who was Elsa, and India was holding a grudge. So now it is set in stone and recorded on camera. India is Elsa and Pop is Anna. So I'll have lots of fun pictures for that. I also got those fun stickers, and I think those are older as well. I don't remember seeing those. Yeah, 2011. See, so I got some really cool older stuff that I'm excited about. And that was all of my embellishments or anything. Everything else I got was paper. Oh gosh. So, and this collection I didn't order a lot of big sheets. I just liked the 6x6. So I think that'll be plenty, and then I can add in other stuff for embellishments. So I got those little snowmen, but I think I really just got it for that. And then this one's really cute, but I got it for that wood grain. And a lovely wood grain. I got a lot of wood grain, guys. Oh, those are both double-sided wood grain. I think I like that one better. And that one better. And this one I got for that wood grain. And this one I love is Pretty Little Studio. And it's so nice. It's kind of shiny, kind of glossy. That's cute too, but I got it for that side. And that's a double wood grain. I don't know. I'll leave it that way, but I might change. And that's a nice wood grain. And this, I tried to get it at scrapbook.com and it was out of stock whenever I had ordered all my Halloween stuff. And I hope that was cute. The little bats. Oh, that's fun. It's like textured, like almost like watercolor paper. Ooh, that's pretty too. Of course, I got it for the wood grain, but I don't know. That's really pretty as well. And that's a fun wood grain. Ooh, and the ledger. See, I'm a B-side girl. I like all these prints that aren't super heavy, and I love the hat. But it's wood grain. But I got two, so I can get one of each. And then a white, and he's a ledger on the other side. Oh, these are all the Simple Stories wood greens. That's why. Anyways, okay. And then I got this, which I have most of this collection, but I don't have that yellow for some reason. And then I got that because I thought that was really pretty for a nice background. And then this guy, he's fun. And then that one. I was like, I don't remember ordering that. I have the 6x6 pad of this, but I love that page. That's pretty. I think some of these I ordered for Colorado to tie it in with those guys. The yellow and the aqua and this, and it's got like trees in the background, which is kind of cool. That's fun too. But I got it for that side. This one's really pretty. I love that. And that's wood grain. But I got it for that side. Oh, those are cute little hearts. I think I ordered it for that side. No, I like this side. And then this is fun. I don't know what for, but something fun and bright. And then that's cute. No, keep it on that side. I love that one. I have the 6x8 of that one as well, but I needed that for a background. And then this one is from the La La Love. No, it's Main Squeeze. I don't know when this is from. 2017. So I ordered it for that. I'll probably turn it that way. But I like that. And I love this. Is that not so fun for like a birthday party? That's cute too. Oh man. Now I wish I had two of that as well. I don't know. We'll see. That one was pretty. It's Snow and Cocoa. I kept trying to find the Snow and Cocoa 6x6 and 12x12 at Tuesday morning, but I couldn't find them. I went back a lot into 2 different ones, a lot, and I couldn't find it, but I found that, so that'll be fun. I think I like the pink. And then this was super fun, and it's got that nice pink on the back. I don't know what I'll do. I don't know. And then that, I thought it was chalkboard, but it's like a letterboard paper. I thought that was really cute. Something, just a different kind of background. And then that I got for Colorado. I thought that could be fun for that side. And these are, that's cute. It's pink paisley. They're like Americana shapes, but I got it for that pretty blue side. And then some like cow texture. That's really cool too. And then that floral, I got it for this side. It's just a really nice wood grain hexagon. Yeah, hexagon. And then that's pretty. Jen Hadfield. For some reason I thought that was Maggie Holmes, but it's not. And then it's got blueprints on the other side. I really like that. I think that could be really cute for Colorado, and maybe like, because I've got maps of the hotel we stayed in, the Great Wolf Lodge, but that's really pretty, so it's probably going to be this side. And then I got that for that grid. Oh, it's the same. It's the same grid, but just with the floor. And then this, I've had this paper before. I've already used it before, but I love that color, so I had to get it again. And then this is 'Tis the Season from LA Studio. I got it for that one. I got a lot of wood grain. I didn't realize just how many I got. I love this. I thought that could be really fun for Colorado, and then fussy cut them out and build like little mountainscapes. But look at that. That is really pretty. I don't know. Yeah, it's gonna be that side, I think. And then this was fun. I got it for this side. I don't know why I thought that could be really cool for Colorado album. And then I got this because I loved both sides. I got 2. That'll be fun to just cut into strips. And then this I got for that side. This one's cute too, but I don't see myself using diamonds, so we got it for this side. And then this is also Maggie Holmes Shine. That one's really cute. Got it for that side. Chewy, come here. Come here. Sorry, he's crying at the door. So we're going to bring him over here. Okay, so this is the Chamel Christmas Magic that I was telling you about. Is that not so pretty and so vintage? So I got 1 for each side. Oh, I got 3. Guys, I got 3. I'm so excited. Okay, so there's 2 for one side and that one for the green. And then I got this one. That one's cute, but I think I'm going to use that green. I will probably make another tree layout. I've already made like 4 tree layouts, but it's probably going to be another one. And then this one's a fun little cut apart, and it's got that nice deep burgundy on the other side, but I think I'm going to use that. And then I got this one for that pretty side. And then I love this. It's like the perfect citron, yellowy, just ever so slightly green wood grain. That one's really fun too, but it's definitely this side. This is like my all-time favorite color, is that like green but almost yellow. It's perfect. And then this is Chamel's, from her original Chamel collection, which I also didn't get because I wasn't spending bukus of money on scrapbook supplies like I am now, and uncontrollable like I am now. So I got 2. I got 1 for the cut aparts on the pink, and then 1 for that, or 1 to cut apart and 1 to do like a main layout on, but I think I'll probably do that side. That's a nice branding strip too. I like that. This is also from the Chamel collection, the original, and I got 2 of that one as well because that was really pretty. But that one's really pretty too. I don't know. And it's almost red, like it's a nice deep pink, so it'd be perfect for Christmas. We're going to keep them both on this side. And then this was just really pretty, Teresa Collins. I thought that would be really pretty either for Christmas or for the Colorado trip stuff. And then there's that is really pretty on the other side. That would be really pretty for Christmas too. I don't know. Can't make my choices. This is Allison Craft Recorded in its little anchors, but I got it for that side. Isn't that so pretty, that mustard? So there's that. And then this was really pretty for Christmas, like a wreath. Festive wreath by Pretty Little Studio. I think this was an older one, but I can't remember. It might be from this year. But that one was really pretty. And I thought, I mean, I might just do it on there, but fussy cutting it out and then layering it on another paper as the solid wreath would be really cool. I also love this. And I thought those would be really fun to fussy cut out and do like a wreath or something, or like a, I don't know, like Chanel says, like a shelf. So it'd be fun. This is really pretty. I love this. It's My Heritage by My Mind's Eye. It does not have a date on it. Oh, 2019. Okay, this is from this year. It's really pretty. What did I say this side? Colorado. That one's really pretty. I love that side. Pretty Little Studio again, Indian Summer. And then this one is Simple Stories, Farmhouse, wood grain. And then this one is the last one, and I love that citron-y, deep mustardy, greenish yellow. So that one's cute too. I like the little mountains, but it's kind of cutesy, and I don't usually do very cutesy, so it is definitely for this side.
Mommy.
So that is all. Hey baby, hold on.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi.
What are you doing?
So that is everything I got from Paper Issues. My first order with them. I'm sure I will be ordering more because it was awesome, and I got all sorts of cool stuff that I never knew I even needed. So there is all of that.
Mommy, what are you doing, Mommy?
My cute little card
Mommy, what are you
and my
doing?
flare buttons. So thank you guys so much for watching. Come back and see us
Hey,
later.
Lynn, now I say bye.
Be sure to like this video if you liked it, and leave a comment if you have anything to say or any questions or anything. If you did any Black Friday scrappy shopping and have haul video,
Mommy.
link it below because I would love to come watch
Hey,
yours.
let's say bye. I say bye.
And India wants me to tell you to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you later. Thanks. Happy scrapping. Bye.
Bye.